it's Beth from Sweetheart's Hair. Welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm with little Lily and we are going to be showing you a gorgeous flower girl hairstyle. So let's get started. So I've started off by just wand curling the hair. If you prefer to use straightening irons or tongs, that's completely fine. I've just gone for a small wand today. So I'm going to do this all the way through the hair. So now the curls are all complete, I'm just going to be leaving out some front pieces because this is a flower girl hairstyle, all soft and summery. So we want it to have some nice face framing bits. Now I don't want this to have like a severe centre line, so I'm just going to take my comb and just create little ziggy zags just to make sure that we don't have a harsh line. And then I'm just going to pin that side out of the way and we're going to braid this side. So I'm taking a small section from this left hand side here and I'm going to break it into 3 like so, and I'm going to cross over the centre, cross over the centre. I'm going to do one more, cross over the centre. I'm going to add from this side, so adding in, cross over the centre, adding a piece of hair in on this side, smoothing it out. And because it's a flower girl braid, I'm keeping this braid firm but quite relaxed. I'm just going to go in now before I go any further and just start to tease that centre out. Again, we're going to add in and cross over. And I'm going to go in here and just pull that bit out, adding in. I'm going to make that my last piece on this side, one more over here, and then I'm angling the braid a little bit this way, and then I'm just going to braid a little bit down. And you don't have to worry about this being super symmetrical because it's kind of like that whimsical look rather than everything being super clean. I'm just going to tie a little elastic here, but instead of just wrapping it around the whole thing, I'm leaving that one out and bringing these two together, and then I'm going to tie the elastic there like that. So we're back to this side now. Can you see why we did the zigzag part? So we're going to again break it into 3 and we're going over, over, over and adding a piece, over, adding a piece, over. So we're going to repeat the same again with that little elastic down here. Going to braid down a little way first, do some little rough pulling out, and then you're going to go in and just do any kind of like teasing out that you want to do, and then we're going to cross these over. So I'm just going to cross the right one over the left, but I'm going to loop it through here. So I'm going to make a little hole, grab, loop it through like so. So just making sure these bits look all pulled out and cute. And then I'm just going to recurl just through this centre piece here. Just a couple of them. So that is our style finished. Me and Lily are going to do a lovely little 360 for you. I like how this just really highlights all the different textures and colours in the hair. Super cute, last all day. Let me know in the comments what you think.